Hello. Let us find out how many prime factors are in the number 36. Example. List the prime factors of 36. To be able to get this, we have to first list all the factors of 36. And then from those factors, we determine the ones that are prime numbers. In other words, prime factors. So let's find first the factors of 36. So these can be gotten by finding numbers that multiply into each other to give you 36. So we have 1 multiplied by 36 to give us 36. We have 2 multiplied by 18 to give us 36. We have 3 multiplied by 12 will give us 36. We also have numbers like 4. Now 4 multiplied by what will give you 36? We have 4 multiplied by 9 to give us 36. Then we have 6 multiplied by 6 to give us 36. These are numbers that multiply into each other to give us 36. And of all of these, the factors of 36 can be written as factors of 36 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, of all these factors listed, which one of them is only divisible by 1 and itself? Prime factors of 36. We have numbers such as 2, which is only divisible by 1 and 2. We have 3. Now, when we look through the others, 4 is divisible by 1, by 2, and by 4. 6 also have multiple divisors, as well as 9, 12, 18, and 36. That is, the only prime numbers of these factors listed are 2 and 3, which make them the prime factors of 36. Try this by getting the factors of another number around you, and from those factors you have gotten, try to find out the numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. And then those should be the prime factors for such a number. Thank you.